There are other methods to create a table, such as data types defining, also recognizing which table or object is selected or we're currently in. But let's skip for now. I create a user form and select Textbox and create it. By default, if I run the form and start typing and get it filled, after that it's gonna be scrolled. You see? And you have to do that manually. If you want to add horizontal scroll bar here, I could select my text box, and on the properties panel, we have a property named scroll bars. By default set on 0, which it is none. We have horizontal, vertical, or both, which in this case, horizontal it is fine. Allow me to make a bit more taller. Okay. Now if I start typing, and immediately, if there is no extra space, you will see the scroll bar will automatically appear. I close that. Also, this property is applied for other controls such as form or any controls with entrance values. Allow me to disable the scroll bar here for now. Set none. Another property here is auto size. If I set the auto size true, as you see it is getting shrinkage. If I resize and run the form, after typing, immediately it will resize both horizontally and vertically and get longer or shorter, which in many cases might be not so useful, of course. So allow me to disable. Of course, we have this property for labels, etc. And another useful for text box, it is multi-line. If I scroll down, we have a property named multi-line. By default, it is false. I set it true and run the program. Allow me to select the form first and run. If I start typing, and if there is no space and because my scroll bars are disabled, it will wrap it and go to the next line. Also, if I hold on the shift key and press enter or return key, I could make multiple lines. And in this case, it is ideal to create a vertical scroll bar. So it is nice after setting multi-line true, change the property of scroll bars to the vertical. Alright, now I run the form again, and after filling, if there is no space, now we have vertical scroll bar. They are very useful in many cases such as data entry on Textbox.